To create a high power plan, just type power plan in the search bar, then click on edit power plan. Now what you have to do is just click on a create power plan and write the name of the plan whatever you want. Suppose I am writing high power 2 just randomly. Now click on next. After that, choose whatever setting suits you in this, but I will I am choosing never because I don't want my display to be turned off in the high performance power plan ever. Now what you have to do is change the advanced setting of it. Now changing the advanced setting, now you have to set all the settings as I am doing in this dialog box. Follow this video and choose whatever settings I am choosing in this, so that your laptop processor always run on the high performance power mode. One more thing I would like to suggest you, that if you are playing games on your laptop or doing video editing, that you make sure that your laptop is connected to the charging. If your laptop is connected to the charging and you have the high performance power mode on, I'm damn sure that your laptop will turn into the beast. But when you are on the battery and you choose this power plan, high performance power plan, your battery will be sucked very soon. So I would suggest that you always keep your laptop connected to the power supply when you are doing gaming or video editing or any heavy task, so that there is no current limit throttling or power limit throttling generally when you are connected to the charger. Make sure in this power plan that your minimum processor state is also 100%, so that your processor is always maxed out and is always running at 100%. As my processor is i5-9300H, so the maximum frequency I'm getting is 4000 megahertz. After adjusting all of your settings in power plan as I have mentioned in this video, your laptop is ready to turn into the beast and run at the maximum performance that you can get out of your laptop. Make sure that you even undervolt your laptop, because undervolting is very necessary for laptop to prevent the to prevent the thermal throttling. So in this video you can see now I have two power plan in my laptop which are in the high performance mode, that is high power 2 and the juiced up. So these two power plan are at the high performance and this is the balanced power plan you can see. So I recommend you to use high performance.